Many people are unaware that they have low self-esteem. In fact, it's estimated that 85% of the world's population has low self-esteem. Now, high achievers can also have low self-esteem, but low self-esteem is reversible, and it's crucial to reverse it as it leads to physical, emotional, and mental health issues. Melissa Boher Jacobson, Confident Life Coach and Clinical Hypnotherapist here. Restoring healthy self-esteem is a huge part of my practice, and my clients range from budding athletes to CEOs, physicians, and entrepreneurs, as well as kids and teens. By the way, now would be a great time to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell, and you'll know when I post new content. So do you have any of these telltale signs? Frequent self-criticism, difficulty taking compliments, apologizing frequently, frequent self-doubt, frequently second-guessing yourself, difficulty making decisions, phobias, catastrophic thinking, depression, constantly comparing yourself to others, relationship issues, disordered anxiety? Find out how hypnotherapy and coaching can restore self-esteem rapidly and permanently at howhypnotherapycanhelp.com.